show you how to override a solenoid valve and output signal. First, you click the PLC, then click the online environment, then click the out. Then wait for some time. Now you have this one. Click sequential, then the tag number, then input the tag number of the solenoid valve. Okay, now typing the tag number of the solenoid valve. Now we have this solenoid valve. Now you click force. Okay, just click F, and then using the space bar to change the value to high, and then enter. Now the solenoid valve is already forced. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.